Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you also trade on other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD and others. So let's get started. So, Euro USD, as we all know, that because of the Russia and Ukraine war, there is craziness in the market right now. Stock markets fell globally. We saw heavy sell-off on Euro USD, GBP USD, and crazy bullishness on the chart of gold yesterday. But when UK and US imposed heavy financial sanctions on Russia, things changed. We saw gold coming down to a level of 1880. Okay, there was a sharp move on gold, and markets also recovered globally. So things are on the positive side right now. If you look at the chart of Euro USD also, you can see that after making a low of almost 1100, Euro USD has recovered. Okay, recovered by almost 100 pips and right now trading at 1.1201. And if you look at the Asian market right now, then you can see in the Nikkei index, okay, the index of Japan is positive today after sharp fall globally, okay, due to the war. Asian market is trying to recover. This is a Nikkei positive. If you look at Hang Seng, okay, Hang Seng is a little bit down by 69.73, but it was in the positive direction in the morning when the market opened. So it is also a big factor. If you look at KOSPI, then you can see that KOSPI is also positive, Korean index. So more or less markets around the world are trying to recover. So as a result, okay, there is a possibility that Euro USD will also try to recover because things are changing. If you have been trading for a considerable amount of time, then you know how the market functions. Whenever there is a news comes up, then yes, we saw heavy sell off in the market. Whenever there is a crisis, we saw market falling like crazy. But by the end of the day, okay, by the end of the day, market always recover because what is the original trend of the market? Original trend of the market is always towards the upside because population is rising, consumption is increasing, technology is advancing. So as a result, if you look at the global markets, okay, they will always try to recover, and because their trend is always towards the upside. Okay. Anyways, let's talk about Euro USD now. What should be a strategy? First of all, I would like to request the new traders, beginners that, my dear friend, this market is not for you. Okay, you should just observe the market and learn so that if any crisis comes up in the future, you know how to behave. Okay, because learning experience is something uh, beyond my vocabulary. Okay, because this kind of experience will pay off in the future. Right now this is not a market for you. If you are new to the market, if you don't know much about the market, please avoid the market as of now. Okay. And if your capital is also low, okay, if you are a student or if you're you do not have much equity in your trading account right now, then please avoid the market because keep in mind, my dear friend, market is going nowhere. You know, let the market settle down a bit, okay, then you come to the market and then make some money. Why you want to risk your money, okay, in a market condition where you do not even understand properly? Yes, the war is still going on, but market have factored in, and as a result, we are seeing some kind of recovery. But if you look at the trend of the market right now, then you can see that the trend is still towards the downside. Yes, we are hoping that there will be some recovery, but are we sure? No. Can we consider this as a trend reversal right now? No, we are just hoping because of the global market and considering the past. But still, we don't know whether this is a sell on rise market or this is a trend reversal. We still don't know yet. Okay, so as a result, okay, It's better to avoid if you do not have much capital or if you're new to the market. Because see, my dear brothers and sisters, I have been trading for a long time, 9 years. Okay, so I know how to survive in the market. Survival is very, very important. Okay, and those who are planning to trade, please follow strict risk management. This level will be very, very important for the day. 1.1100. In case sharp fall comes again, then please take a sell position below this level. Okay. Below this, if you find euro USD trading below this level or breaking down this level, take a sell. This level will be very, very important for us. Okay, over the 1.1100. If market comes and bounces, if you want to take a buy, you can take a buy. But if I think that in this market condition, okay, if market comes to the level of 1.1100, then it will be to break the level only. So taking a buy in this level will be very, very risky. Okay, so if market comes down and breaks it, take a sell position below this level. And if market goes up, then we can expect some kind of price rejection around 1.1250 level, this level. So scalpers can take a sell position. Yes, listen to me carefully. Scalpers can take a sell position because see, if this is a trend reversal, if there is a global recovery in the market, okay, then obviously market will break the level and start going up. So in this market condition, okay, if you take a sell position, you may get trapped. Okay, so as a result, scalpers can take a sell position because if you are a scalper, then you know how to enter and exit within a couple of seconds. Okay, but otherwise, if you see market trying to go up, there is not much prominent price rejection from above, then please avoid. Okay, but as of now, I'll request you not to trade. Okay, because trader knows when to trade, but it is also important to know when not to trade as well. Okay, so just observe the market, try to understand the market and keep in touch with the news. If market falls below this level, take a sell. Otherwise, this may be a trend reversal, this may be a sell on rise. We still don't know yet, so please avoid. This is my request. Okay, bye bye, take care. See ya tomorrow with the analysis for the next week, and hopefully we will have more developments by the end of the day. We will get a clear picture how long the war will continue, whether the war is going to end or not. So I'll be coming up tomorrow again with a complete analysis for the next week. Till then, hold your horses, do not take any big position, and please follow strict risk management. That's my request. Bye bye.